Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is RAFTHELSA S.G.M blogs from Switzerland. Today's video, I'm going to share with you my DIY project. This is a home decoration for the Christmas season. This is a DIY table centerpiece made from recycled materials. So look at here, guys. This is a fern leaves, a collection of fern leaves pressed into the magazine, and now I fix it here one by one with the use of hot glue in this glass. This glass cover is from the box from the refrigerator. I recycled it, and here is also a collection of small fine cones painted with red nail polish, and now it looks like a red roses. I fix it both sides of this glass, and I have here 3 Santa Claus with 5 renders, the red, green, white in the center, because the Santa is coming in the forest. And I have here a recycled Christmas ornaments. I just fix it here, and now it serves like a green grass in the forest, the green grass in the garden of the forest filled with beautiful flowers. This is an artificial flowers. I just fix it here, look, one by one, and now it looks like a real garden. And I have here a Christmas light, a battery operated light that changes different colors. So now this is already my table centerpiece. Just put in the table and lean it into the wall. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to create a very simple but unique Christmas home decoration using recycled materials. Just recycle your old Christmas decorations and your artificial flowers at home, and you can create like this. So if you don't have this glass, you can use a cardboard, okay? And you can use any type of grasses or leaves that you can use as a tree. So because this one is just like a high mountains with high trees. So guys, please give me a thumbs up, give a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video so that your friends can see this project. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, RAFTHELSA's Blogs, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. So to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing and supporting my channel, for watching my videos every time I uploaded my videos. I tried all my best to create more DIY projects, especially this coming Christmas season. Stay tuned, and I have more DIY projects to be uploaded soon, and please watch also my live streaming